Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today in this video, we're gonna talking about what is trend line. So if you were someone who is struggling to find trend, so there are basically three types of trend in the market. The first is uptrend, then downtrend, and then sideways. Okay, so uptrend means when the price is going upward, downtrend means when the price is going downward, and sideways mean when the price is moving between a range and there is a no clear upside and downside movement of that. Okay, so that is what actually called trend. And if you're struggling to find out what is where the trend is actually going, so you will see it by just the by your naked eyes. But if you're struggling to find it, if you're struggling to visualize it, so in this video Trendline will gonna help you. So let's understand the theoretical part of it. A trend line is a straight line drawn on a price chart to connect a series of higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend. It helps a trader identify the market's directions and potential support or resistance levels. So whenever you are dropping a trend line, so trend line basically means that where the trend is actually going on, and it will help you to understand the trend market structure also. Okay, so trend line can also work as a support zone or resistance zone also. Okay, so it says that an upward trend line indicates a bullish movement. When the price is going up, we generally call it a bullish movement. Bullish means when the price is generally up, and that means that the price is on the bull side. And while the downtrend downtrend line indicates a bearish movement, bearish means that the trend is going down, which is also can be visualized by the price is constantly making lower lows, and you can say red candle also. Okay, so that is how a trend is actually going on or moving on. Trend lines are widely used in technical analysis to spot trend continuations, reversal, and potential entry or exit points. So trend line will can give you the potential entry exit points, and they can also show you that the continuations patterns and the reversal pattern and the potential entry exit points the trend line can gives you if you use it wisely. Okay, so that was the theoretical part of trend line, and in the next video we're going to cover the practical part of trend line. If you are struggling to find how to how to draw trend line on your chart, on your mobile phone, on your desktop, on your laptop, then in the next video we'll guide you. And the trend line is something which is very important, but which is also included in the price action. If you are a price action trader, then to understand a trend line and to understand how the trend line is actually moving is actually important for you if you are a pure price action trader, and if you don't even use any indicators and any kind of things like that. So that is how it is actually going on, and I hope you get it. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment sections, and I will definitely try to answer all of your questions that you have asked. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.